Are we on the verge of a recession? The last few decades have been eventful for our economy. Things are not looking good. There was a global pandemic, wars going around and the environment deteriorating daily. Most people are struggling financially. There were fewer jobs than applicants. What does all this mean? Should we embrace ourselves to face an upcoming recession? What exactly is a recession? A recession is a sudden fall in the rate of economic growth in an economy. In simple terms, a recession is simply a bad economy. When our economy suddenly drops, it may not be quite as sudden as one might think. We are talking about several months here. Let's analyze the present global scenario. We can be certain of the following facts. 1. A global pandemic of such scale is unprecedented, at least within the last few decades. The outbreak of COVID-19 has had a severe impact on the world economy. Global stock markets have tumbled, businesses have been forced to close and millions of people have lost their jobs. The International Monetary Fund has forecast that the world economy will shrink by 3% this year, the deepest recession since the Great Depression of the 1930s. 2. Inflation is rising. Inflation is rising worldwide due to the economic fallout caused by the spread of COVID-19. According to IMF, the global economy lost $6 trillion in 2019 due to the trade war between US and China. On February 26, 2020, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates for the first time since 2008, citing concern about the effects of the virus on the world economy. 3. Unemployment is high. Unemployment is increasing around the globe, especially in countries affected by the coronavirus. In fact, according to CNN's latest report, the unemployment rate rose to 14% in the US, the highest level in 17 years. The unemployment rate increased to 11.9% in China, its highest in 2 decades. Meanwhile, the UN said that some 50 million jobs could be lost by the end of the year, compared to just 8.9 million job losses predicted for 2018. 4. Most economies are struggling, and all of us are aware of the economic crisis in the UK, which is all over the news nowadays. Logically, all of these facts are indicators of an upcoming global recession. Let's hope things will get better. Hope the time you spent on this video was worthwhile. Thanks much.